Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya konrad kes sang mau laong. Kyndon kalat ban Bteng biang ke Ïakren yesuk hapreng ke Hinyau Trap National Liberation Council HNLC ke Sarkar Jala kumju ke Sarkar India lada ke Council hi kebut yaki Kyndon ke Tnad Kam-Pohīing keri India. Ulah pentip bagi Sarkar Jala ka yang ha ke nongrem bagi don ki Kyndon bala bu da ke Tnad Kam-Pohīing bat omla ban yat lat na kata. Halor kejing penyang ke HNLC banyak kendo bat Shillong Ïakren kabala penpau pertai haki rinsan social media kamtam da kabakot yau sembut Menteri Rangba ubak prestun tensong na kaliang Menteri Rangba ulaong bekimpat yok penyang kabanlong da kejing thok na ke HNLC. Halor kejing dawai wang no iki mukot dema persya iki noi lambat gidkot ke HNLC Menteri Rangba ulaong bagajing wang no iki mukot dema kan syong kat kum kejing long jong kawai pakawai ke mukot dema hi. Ke HNLC lingbau General Secretary kam Publicity Secretary ke Council ubak san kupar nong trau ha ke jing tho ha ke Facebook page ulaong baladap ban pak tin sho ba prestun tensong ba ke Council ke priang ke jing terwa jong u banya kendu iki nong elam ha ke nu ke jaka. Kumbon syukudau ba ke HNLC kalau weng no na ke jing Ïakren bat ke Sarkar Jala kumju uru ke Sarkar India ha ke bakut ke tayo jong no pra arja arpulai halor ki nongrim ba ke Sarkar kamshim khiai ki mat jing dawa jong ka ban pentelon ye ke jing Ïakren yesuk kat bana ke Sarkar Jala kala kentu ye ke HNLC ban perkhat bha bon sin ban wan pai biang syakamiet ban Ïakren yesuk.
I have not seen it officially, so I don't think I'll be able to comment without seeing the official writing. So, but I reiterate that we are open. And we would ask them to reconsider their stand. We also want long-term peace. And so that we would reiterate that they should come to the talks again. But as I said, regarding their talks or their invitation or whatever you've called, I have not seen anything in writing, so it would not be appropriate for me to comment on that.
But the stand of the government, conditional or unconditional talks?
We have maintained again and again that there are certain provisions and guidelines which the MHA has prescribed, which is being followed for all organizations with which Government of India is in talks with. So it will be followed on basis of those guidelines. We cannot deviate from that because that is what is being prescribed for all the talks. And hence, if they start changing that for one or two organizations, then they have to change it for all. So within the prescribed norms of MHA, we are ready to talk in whatever line. So as I said, case-to-case basis, the decisions have been made. There has been done in the past also. But as I said, whether it will be done in the future or not, it will depend on case-to-case basis. But if we don't start the process, then we'll never reach to that point.